वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। इसमें नेक्स्ट पार्ट में क्लास 7 का 4 लेसन साइंस का आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट 2 मार्क्स। इसमें फर्स्ट है डिस्कस व्हाई वियरिंग मोर लेयर ऑफ क्लोथिंग ड्यूरिंग विंटर कीप्स वार्मर देन वियरिंग जस्ट वन थिक पीसेस ऑफ क्लोथिंग। इसका आंसर है एयर इज अ बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट। इफ इन विंटर वी वियर मोर लेयर ऑफ क्लोथिंग, air is trapped in between these layers which does not allow the body heat to flow from body to our atmosphere, so our body feels warm. While if we wear one thick clothes, then air could not be trapped inside, hence it prevent only less amount of heat to flow from body to atmosphere, so wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick pieces of clothing। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इन प्लेस ऑफ हॉट क्लाइमेट इट इज एडवाइजेबल that the outer wall of house be painted white। explain। इसका आंसर है in hot climate rain outer wall of houses get heated by radiation। if outer wall of house are painted white, the wall absorbs less amount of heat through radiation and reflects more heat। as a result, people residing in this house feel less hot। क्वेश्चन है थर्ड डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर इज बेटर देन मर्क्यूरी थर्मोमीटर। एक्सप्लेन। बिकॉज मर्क्यूरी इज अ टॉक्सिक substances and is very difficult to dispose of। nowadays digital thermometer is best which do not use mercury। next question है which precaution should be observed while using a clinical thermometer। इसका सही आंसर है thermometer should be washed before and after use with an antiseptic solution। ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degree। read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight। handle the thermometer with care। if it hits against some hard object, it can break। fifth, don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द प्रोसीजर ऑफ मेजरिंग योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर। फर्स्ट है ऑन अ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर नोट द टेम्परेचर differences indicated between two big marks। also note the number of divisions between these marks। next, now wash the clinical thermometer with an antiseptic solution। third, hold it firmly and give it few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degree। place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue for 1 minute। after 1 minute, take out the thermometer from your mouth and note the reading, which is the temperature of your body। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है What are the precautions needed while measuring the temperature of substances using the laboratory thermometer? इसका आंसर है the thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. Next, bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substances of which the thermometer is to be measured. Third, temperature must be read when the thermometer is in contact with the substances. Next, the bulb should not touch the surfaces of the container. Fifth point है the temperature in the thermometer has to be measured by keeping this parallel to the scale marked on the thermometer. 7th question है हमारा before using the clinical thermometer why few jugs are given to it. इसका आंसर है in the clinical thermometer there is a kink in bracket construction just above the mercury bulb, hence in thermometer mercury remains at the level which is previously measured. Now to measure the new thermometer the mercury must be brought down below 35 degree, so the 35 degree Celsius, so that the actual new thermometer can be measured. For this purpose few jugs are given to the thermometer. Explain conduction in solid substances. इसका आंसर है the process by which heat is transferred from the hotter and to the color and of solid metal is called conduction. When solid substances is heated at one end, the molecules of that part do not change their original position but isolate with more frequency and amplitude about their respective mean position, and then neighboring molecules also get affected through the intermolecular forces prevailing in the substances. So now these molecules transfer their effect to other nearby molecules. In this way, heat is transferred from one part of molecules to the neighboring part of molecules and thus reaches at the other end of substances. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्लेन कन्वेक्शन इन लिक्विड्स. इसका आंसर है टेक अ स्मॉल पैन एंड फिल्ड इट विथ वाटर इन ब्रैकेट लिक्विड एंड पुट इट ओवर द फ्लेम. व्हेन वाटर इज हीटेड द वाटर नियर द फ्लेम गेट हॉट. हॉट वाटर rises up, cold water from the side move downwards. This process continue till the whole waters get heated. This mode of hot transfer called convection. ठीक है, इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन 7 इस पार्ट में खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.